Today we are doing one move, combination move, functional movement that can benefit many of you in developing better fascial connective tissue, muscular, rotational strength and awareness. And so it's a strength exercise done with a weight. It's a combination move that can be done with a light weight, such as this 5-pound dumbbell, or with a little heavier kettlebell. I really like the way kettlebells distribute weight in my hands. There's light kettlebells. If you just have a light weight, start with a light weight. And if you're new to functional movement, definitely start with a very low weight. And the move is pretty simple and pretty compound. So we're going to take the weight in our hands at the base of the kettlebell. If you're using a kettlebell, we're gonna shift the weight onto the right foot, activate your foot, tripod position. So the pads of the big toe, pinky, and the base of the heel are activated. Chest open, back wide, elongated posture, core in, rib cage down, and we're going to step the left leg in and twist to the right. So twist towards the front leg. As you step up, you're going to distribute the weight evenly onto both legs and reach your weight across your body to the left. Same thing on the other side. We're gonna alternate and reach, alternate and reach, alternate, reach, twist, reach, and keep your core in. We're working on the transverse abdominis, postural awareness, crossbody movement. If you hold your weight in the 90-degree position, you're continuously holding tension in the biceps. Couple more, basically until you feel muscle fatigue. And we're done. You can definitely take a break and do 2 more rounds depending on what kind of weight you're using. 2 more rounds can be beneficial if you're starting off and you're looking for just good fatigue but also endurance. So let me know how that felt in your body. Have you done a lot of twisty, circular, etc. movements before? And I'll see you soon with the next exercise or class. Have a beautiful day.